Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another vlog. You guys, I've missed you guys. I know I've been MIA, but people should bear with me. So enjoy the vlog. If you've not joined the family, do have to hit the subscribe button and join the family. So guys, I started doing my nails again. You guys, look, take a look. This is actually press-on nails with glue, looking all cute. So I unboxed one of my parcel from AliExpress some days back. I unboxed it on TikTok. Let me keep you guys here, but I want to show you guys what that stuff looks like. Don't mind the angle of my tripod. So it's a beauty blender. This triangle beauty blender is like 4-in-1 set. I don't know why I'm looking at myself in the viewfinder. It came in 4-in-1, and let me just show you guys what it looks like. I don't want to be explaining too much. I'm looking for the last one. So this is what we look like. This is what the beauty blender looks like. So it's having this velvety kind of look. See, it's having this velvet kind of material, very soft and lightweight. I'm thinking of maybe keeping one for myself. See how cute this looks. I'm thinking of keeping one for myself and possibly selling the others. If I'm able to sell them off quickly, then I guess I'm going to order for more. Look at my screensaver. You guys, can your screensaver, now that I want to brag about it, can your screensaver ever, like, look at that cute shot of me and my camera. Take a good look, take a good look, take a good look. Please, oh, see how fine it looks. Don't mind me, I like to help myself. So far, I've started taking conscious step on drinking sodas. You guys, in 2 months, this is like the first factory made something I've ever taken into my system. So nowadays what I do is to maybe blend. The last fruit fresh juice I did was watermelon and pineapple. I'm going to leave a video of a short clip of what it looks like for you guys, so you see what it actually looks like. So that was, anytime I feel like taking something like drink, something sugary or anything juice, I just go to the market, buy the fruits, as many as I want, come back home and juice them and take. So in 2 months, this is like what I'm taking, and the person that made me take this is my hubby, my husband. The judge gingering me. Take. I got steak now. It's been long. Let me just test it. So see the small one I'm taking with my Zumba classes, my Zumba exercise that you guys must have watched before this video. We're gonna burn that weight. We're gonna burn that. Guys, good morning. Saturday morning. You're enjoying the vlog. So I just took my iced coffee. I don't know if it's not hot. It's always ice. Because I like it. Okay, some of my crusty head. You see me as if I should enter the barbering salon and go cut it off. So far, if you watch, I have a new light setup because I was watching a video today on TikTok and they were telling us about light composition and how we can keep our lights to be very fine to make it have this cinematic kind of look. So I had to just implement it. I'm currently using a ring light, not a softbox, but you know ring lights are always very harsh. But I don't put my ring light directly in front of me. So if you're a content creator, don't always put the ring light directly in front of you because its ring lights are always very harsh. If it's a soft box, that diffuser in front of your soft box will always diffuse the light down for you. But ring lights are always very harsh when you put them directly close to you. So what I did was, for my own to look this dim, I had to work on my settings of the light. So this is the remote my ring light came with. I did not do an unboxing for you guys. This is the remote my ring light came with. And just being that I want my videos to look cinematic, I like that cinematic calm lighting that come with videos. So what I did now was to reduce the light. What I did first was to change the light color. This ring light has 3 colors. It has this warmer yellow, it has this blue, and then it has this warm white. So I like to use the warm white because it gives me this aesthetic feeling aesthetic cinematic feeling that I like. So I always like to use the warm light. So it's changing it to the warm light is not just like this. It was as high as this. See how high it is. We are doing practicals here. See, but I had to. It's still giving me that. It's not still giving the vibe I want it to give. That cinematic, calm, cozy kind of vibe. I don't know why I'm looking at my screen. So it's not giving me that cinematic, cozy kind of vibe I wanted. So what I did was to make it look a bit dim and equal to my accent light. I now had to reduce. As you can see, I had to reduce the lights. So I reduced it to the lowest, and that's what I'm currently using. It's balanced out now. This one is displaying its own, and this one is also displaying its own. So I think I'm going to be doing my videos like this from now henceforth because I like how it looks like. So this is currently 10 p.m. So and I'm trying to film content. So I'm going to show you guys my behind the scene, what my setup looks like, and also take you guys on this content creating nights. So fam, this is what my setup looks like. These are my tripod, my hair care stuff, because I'm trying to make my hair look okay, and these are all the stuffs I need. So I actually set up my camera on portrait mode because I wanted to record for TikTok and Instagram. So my ring light, I usually don't put it directly in front of me. I put it higher just so the harshness reduces a lot. It reduces because ring lights are always harsh. Then this is my accent light. It's a bulb that I just put nylon on it just so it gives the background some sort of effect and all of those stuff. So let's just start creating content. I'm talking too much. So guys, we are back. I'm trying to make this hair look good. This is currently after 10 p.m. in the night. So, and I want to just make my hair look good. I've been carrying it like this for a very long time, and I feel like it's time to make it look good, even though I know it might not last, but I'll just keep on retouching it or just revamping for the week. So I'm going to be using my virgin hair fertilizer. You know it. If you know it, you know. So this is what I'm using for this front part of my hair, just to bring back the hair strand over here, if you understand me. And I don't want to use too much of it this night because I put this in literally every time I wash my hair. It's always on my hair, so I don't want to use too much. I just want to massage into this area of my hair because that's my problem area. That's what made me cut this hair in the first place. So I'm going to be going in with my Vitals anti-breakage olive oil foam wrap lotion. You guys, look at it. I hope this is in focus. I hope it's focusing for you people to see it. So this is what it looks like. It's a foam wrap. So I'm just going to add a little pump. This wrap helps the hair to stay in place for styling. Then if you decide, you can add your ʟᴏᴠᴇɪ gel, but the wrap actually puts the hair in place and it makes it easy to style, because right now the wrap will make the hair obedient for your gel. That's what this wrap does for me. See, I'm still going to add more because I can see that this part of my hair does not want to obey the rules. The other parts are obeying. So I'll keep on adding this wrap until everybody becomes obedient. Going with my ʟᴏᴠᴇɪ gel. This is my ʟᴏᴠᴇɪ gel now. You can see me applying. ʟᴏᴠᴇɪ. Waiting for my hair to dry. I've actually used my hand dryer on it, but I'm still waiting for it to completely dry. So while I wait, I want to do my nails because they are all, I took down the one I was wearing before, and I'm going to be using this cheap short nails. I'm going to be using this short nails and glue, of course. So let's see how that goes. So I'm going to change over to my iPhone now. So see how cute they look. This is it. You cannot tell me otherwise. I love short nails a whole lot, and I actually use glue. This 200 naira glue is doing the trick for me right now, because there is no longer, I don't itch anymore. I don't have those allergies. I feel that because maybe I stopped doing gel polish, that's why I'm having this beautiful nails, you can see. So guys, I think I'm going to call it a night. My hair is still wet. I can still feel it wet. So maybe I'm going to sleep with this head wrap. And hopefully I take it off in the morning. So see you guys in the morning. So far, I had to wash out that gel because it couldn't dry. The front dried, the back did not dry, so I had to wash it off. And I think I'm going to do something else there. So I hope you enjoyed the vlog. If you've not joined my family, consider joining my family. Turn on your post notification and leave me a constructive comment. I'm going to see you in the next one. Stay blessed. Bye.